was about to go to bed, but I had this revolutionary idea instead. I was looking through my closet here. I think tonight's the night to reenact an episode of Chopped. Now, I live alone, so I'm going to have to be the chef, the judge, and the mystery basket picker, but I think we can make it work, and I'm really excited to try. As far as the mystery basket goes, I was thinking the best idea would be to type all of the ingredients that I have in my pantry and my fridge into some sort of robot that will pick out random items that I have to use, and then I'll give myself 20 minutes to just do whatever I want and make a great meal that is gonna taste good because I'm going to be the Chop Champion today. I know it's unfair because I am the judge, but I'll be honest. If it's bad, I won't get the $20,000. But if it's good, I'll treat myself to a good night's sleep tomorrow. Let's get started. Hi everyone. I just found this website called Random Thing Picker. I'm thinking of just typing in all of my ingredients and then picking 9 of them, and each set of 3 will be my mystery basket for each course round. Is that how you spell edamame? Yep. Okay, have a little notepad here. First pick, here we go. Carrots. This is for appetizer round. Next one. Wonton wrappers. Next one. Tortillas. Alright guys, I'm giving myself a 10-minute timer to prepare and then a 10-minute timer to cook. For the appetizer round, I need to use carrots, wonton wrappers, and tortillas. Let me pull out my ingredients. Alright, my timer has begun. So immediately with wontons, I'm thinking of making wontons. I know I'm supposed to get creative with chopped, but it's a wonton wrapper, you know? What can you do? I don't have a shredder or anything, but I want to put carrots in the wonton. So maybe if I just go like this. I hope people aren't asleep right now. Next up is some cream cheese. I've really built a brand on making people think I know how to cook. And I think sometimes I luck out and make some things that taste pretty good. The other times are really unsuccessful. For those of you that think I actually know what I'm doing, I don't. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. These might be expired. They're moldy. Yeah, let's just use this middle chunk. The rest of the expired wonton wrappers will go where they belong. I'm gonna fold it into a little square. Maybe just kind of stick it down with my finger. So we have wontons with this prepackaged avocado. I hope it tastes good. So my little wonton is gonna go in the tortilla shell, and then I'm just gonna go like this and fold it in there. Done. With 26 seconds to spare. Now we go to the kitchen and we cook them. I think there's a girl in the hall who's having problems with her boyfriend. So I'm gonna try to be quiet while they figure it out. I'm adding the oil to the pan. As you can tell, the corn tortillas didn't bend very well. They kind of broke. And now there's just a mushy avocado mess around the wonton. We'll see what happens. For your appetizer, I've prepared for you some carrot wontons wrapped in tortillas and smashed avocado puree. All right, let's try out the appetizer. It was a good try, but it was unsuccessful. The wonton is really soggy. It didn't crisp up like it should have, and that could partially be because half of them are moldy. All right, guys, it's entree round. My ingredients are mozzarella vegan cheese shreds, vegan butter, and vegan cream cheese. The first thing that comes into my mind is a quesadilla. On one side of the quesadilla, I'm going to spread on some vegan cream cheese. Next, on my cream cheese quesadilla, I'm going to add some vegan cheese. I used to eat goat cheese, mascarpone, balsamic, strawberry toast. I'm going to try to make a vegan alternative with these. So I'm gonna crush up some pistachios. Yeah, some good visuals here. If I'm being honest, this one was kind of thought out. As I was making my appetizer, I was thinking about my entree because I was getting nervous. So I'm kind of cheating, but since I am the judge and kind of the host, you know, I can't really be stopped. Pistachios on the tortilla. I'm gonna add some garlic and herb seasoning and some maple syrup. Entree's done in 5 minutes. I think the grill's still out there. We have the quesadilla, and I have to use the third basket ingredient, which is this vegan butter. I have a good feeling about this one. Entree round complete. Today I have prepared for you a single quesadilla with some cream cheese and regular cheese and maple syrup. It looks good, and it's not oily because it's just, you know, cooked in some butter, so it has some good cheese pull to it. Yeah, that's good. It's got a nice crunch from the pistachio. Final round is coconut flakes, mustard, and oats. I'm thinking oatmeal, but we're gonna make something baked. I know in Chopped they always encourage you to use an oven. The timer has started. I think it has to go in the oven for, you know, a good while. And I don't really know how to make baked oatmeal, but we'll see how it goes. I have this bowl of fruit, so I'm gonna add some of that in there. And I recently bought this thing of chocolate sauce. Might as well. As far as the mustard goes, I can't really get creative with it. I'm just gonna add it in and hope that dark chocolate and mustard kind of works. People eat bacon and chocolate all the time, so I feel like the salty combination with the chocolate could work. Guys, my timing is getting great. I did this in 3 minutes. I know I said I was gonna bake, but I'm just gonna use the microwave. I don't really know what I'm doing here tonight. I'm scared. Today I have prepared for you some oatmeal with a splash of coconut milk, some fruit, and a little bit of mustard. I don't know if I'm scared of the dessert more than I am of the wonton tortilla carrot mess. This one looks worse, and I didn't think anything could look worse than my appetizer. It really doesn't work. So, I give myself a 7 out of 10 for effort. I really lost it in the appetizer round with the moldy wontons. The entree was a real goldmine, but then I killed it again with the dessert. And as much as I would like to say that my entree made up for my 2 failures, I'm chopping myself. There wasn't enough success to mask the failure, and I'll have to grow from here. I'm gonna go to bed now, and I'll see you next time.